Welcome to 5th generation na Bishop and shout out kay Sir Alan. Sir, welcome. Ito na pong unit nyo, sir. WE M92. Yan. Check natin yung safety. Meron siya manual safety. Yan. Working. Yan. Magazine. Lagyan natin ang gas. Upside down. 1, 2, 3. All metal. All metal. Threaded barrel. All metal sa M92. Dahil ito yung kanyang mga ito yung previous. At yung additional nyo. Okay, yung manual niya nasa ilalim. Yun. Okay, WE M92. Bigat. Okay, so test fire tayo. Okay, Sir Alan, test fire. WE M92 silver. And ready to fire. Firing. And open slide. Wala ng bala. Release the magazine. Then, atakin mo lang to. Ayan. Hammer down. Okay. Sir Alan, okay na pong unit nyo, sir. If you have more question, message sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you po.